Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Harsha Jhope from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhainder. In this semester, I am going to teach you a subject, Software Engineering. Let's start with our syllabus and chapter 1. Our chapter 1 is Software Development Process. Learning outcomes of these videos are after watching this video, you will be able to know about marks allotment for the subject. What is the definition of software? What is software engineering? Software engineering as layered technology approach and which are the types of software. Then let's go towards our first slide. Then let's see teaching and examination scheme. In this examination scheme, you are having 70 marks and same examination theory paper. Then your practicals are having 25 marks for your term work and end same practical for 25 marks. Then let's see definition of software. Already we know that software is a instruction or a computer program. Okay, a simple computer program is nothing but a software. Okay. Then second thing, software is a data structure that enables the program to adequate, manipulate information and descriptive information in both hard copy and virtual forms that describes the operation and use of a program. In simple way, you have to remember software is the instruction, that is a computer program. The next we'll see what do you mean by software engineering. Okay. Then software engineering is the establishment and use of sound engineering. The principles in order to obtain economically software that is reliable and work efficiently on real machines. Okay. Means what? Software engineering is nothing but to engineer the software. Okay. It is the process to engineer. It is the process to create the software. Okay. The next we'll see software engineering as layered technology or software engineering as a layered approach. Okay. Then in this you can see that there may be question asked explain software engineering as a layered technology approach. Okay. Software engineering is a layered technology. The layers of software engineering you can see in a diagram. First is a quality focus layer, second is a process layer, third is a method layer, and then last is the tools layer. In a quality focus layer, okay, total quality management, it will be considered in quality focus layer. Okay, the total quality management, Six Sigma and similar philosophies that continues a process improvement culture and its culture that ultimately leads to the development of increasingly more effective approach to software engineering. The next is the process layer. Process layer, it is the foundation of software engineering. Okay, software engineering process is the glue that holds the technology layers together and enables rational and timely development of computer software. Process defines a framework that must be established for effective delivery of software engineering technology. Then third layer is a method layer. Software engineering methods provide the technical how to building the software. That methods encompass a broad array of tasks that includes communication, requirement analysis, design modeling, program construction, testing and support. And the last layer is tools. Software engineering tools provide automated or semi-automated support for the process and the method. When tools are integrated so that information created by one tool can be used by another. That's all about your software engineering as a layered technology, layered approach. The next you'll see the characteristics of software. First characteristic is software is developed or engineered. Okay, it is not manufactured in a classical sense. Okay, it is a developed. It is not manufactured. Okay, although there are some similarity exists between software development and hardware manufacturer. The two activities are functionally different. Second characteristic is software doesn't wear out. Okay, means what? As the changes are made in a particular software, it is likely that some new defects will be introduced, causing the failure rate in a particular software. In a diagram, you can see that the curve to spike as shown in figure. As you will changes, as you will do some changes in a particular software, it may be chances that the failure rate or the some new defects will be introduced. This is the second characteristic. And the third characteristic of this particular software is although the industry is moving towards component based construction, most software continues to be custom built. Okay, custom built is a third characteristic. It is the reusable components have been created so that the engineer can concentrate on the truly innovative elements of a design. That is the part of the design that represents something new. In the software world, it is something that has only begun to be achieved on a board scale. The software component should be designed and implemented so that it can be used in many different programs. A software component should be designed and implemented so that it can be used in many different programs. Means what? It can be reused in a particular different way. Okay, that are the characteristics of software. And the next part is types of software. First is the system software. System software is a collection of programs written to service other programs. For example, compiler, editor, file management utilities. These are the example. Second is real-time software. Software that monitors or analyzes or controls real-world events. They are called as real-time software. For example, airline reservation system, railway reservation system. Third is a business software. Business information processing is the largest single software application area. For example, payroll, accounts receivable, payable, inventory have involved into management information system. That software uses the more large database containing business information. For example, tally. Fourth is the engineering and scientific software. Engineering and scientific software have been characterized by number crunching algorithms. For example, CAD, CAM softwares. Fifth is the embedded software. Embedded software, these are the resides in the read-only memory and they are used to control the products and systems for the consumer and industry markets. Intelligent products have become commonplace in nearly every consumer and industrial market. Embedded software can perform very limited functions. For example, keyboard control for a microwave oven. For example of embedded software is microwave washing machine software. Sixth is the personal computer software. Word processing, spreadsheets, computer graphics, entertainment, personal and business uses, database management application, external network. These are only a few of hundreds of applications. You can take an example of Microsoft Word and Excel. That's all about the types of software. Okay, then next we have to study Software process framework. A process framework establishes the foundation for a complete software process by identifying a small number of framework activities that are applicable to all software projects. In addition, the process framework encompasses a set of umbrella activities that are applicable across the entire software process. Basic framework activities you can see in a particular diagram. Basic framework activities are communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment. Okay, these are the basic activities. Communication. This framework activity involves heavy communication and collaboration with the consumer or a customer. Planning. This activity establishes a plan for software engineering work that follows. It describes the technical tasks to be conducted, the risk are analyzed. Modeling. This activity deals with the encompasses and creation of models that allow the developer and the customer to better understand software requirement. Fourth is the construction. This activity combines code generation and the testing that is required, uncovering errors in the code. Fifth is deployment. The software is delivered to the customer who evaluates the delivered product and provides feedback based on the evaluation. This is all about your software process framework. Okay, the next we have to consider the umbrella activities. Umbrella activities are composed of first software project tracking and control. Second is the risk management. Third is the software quality assurance. Fourth is formal technical review. Fifth is measurement. Sixth is software configuration management. Seventh is reusability management. Okay, that's all about your software process framework. Thank you for watching this video.